Hello everyone and welcome back to another portfolio update. In this update, I'm sitting at $332,000 inside of my Wealthsimple account. It does show a bit more in Wealthsimple. I did add to a Wealthsimple checking account inside of my Wealthsimple portfolio here, and I also opened opened up a credit card account as well because it's 2% cash back on this, and I get it. I have no recurring fee on the credit card. So it's better than my credit card that I had at Tangerine, where I only had three categories where I got 2% cash back, and the rest of my purchases were 0.5%. So it seemed like a no-brainer to switch over to the Wealthsimple credit card. So that's why now in my overall it shows a higher number than my actual portfolio because it's adding the checking account on the web app. It's better on the mobile app. The mobile app, there's like the main screen is this, but then when you slide to the right, it'll show just your investing accounts overall. So, yeah, but overall, a really good month so far. Well, I mean, all the trading days are closed, so um, a good month then, because tomorrow will be June. But was at 317 in at the end of April, and now 330, basically 333,000. So a pretty solid gain from the last one. Um, almost 50, I think over $15,000. So that's really good. In terms of dividends, this month I received $687 worth of dividends. So just to break down of that, $156 from BDY, 291 from ESPX, 187 from ETSX, and 5135 from SPLT. So definitely a decent month for dividends. No quarterly pairs, so just the monthly pairs this month. And VDY still paid a pretty good amount, so I think yeah, 21 cents like their yield. My yield is 5.63%, but the current yield, because of how much VDY has gone up, is 3.46%. So sitting at just on price gain alone, a 63% uh, gain on my VDY, which is just crazy. I did not expect that to happen with the Canadian economy. So, but nonetheless, it's definitely pretty good. A little bit of a pullback just recently. I think the U.S. market has been starting to recover a bit more, but the Canadian market has gone down just a little bit. Maybe some opportunity there to buy some if there's been a bit of a pullback. But for now, I see in terms of like real opportunity, I think gold is probably the best opportunity. It's still gone down. Oh, I hate when it does this. This is so dumb in my spreadsheet. I don't know what's up with Google Sheets. If anyone knows, let me know because I have to like delete and then Control Z and then it'll do the API call again to the website to get this data. It's kind of annoying. I don't know why it happens, but there we go. That's it's got all the data loaded now again, all the distributions and the next pay. So um, yeah, I think gold. It has had a bit of a pullback. Definitely in the last little bit, so I think it's definitely a good buy. I've been just buying a bit of it with my dividends, my non-registered account. I did not invest much. I didn't invest anything this month from my own money. I just basically reinvested my dividends. The reason being is because I am preparing that RRSP contribution was going to be $11,500, and I'm gonna do it in June. So actually, let me put that into my investing plan right here. $11,500. Um, yeah, my goal is actually 30K this year, so that's gonna be a pretty sizable amount. It's gonna put me. I mean, there's gonna be a bit of a deficit on this year though if I put 11,500 in here. Oh yeah. See, I'm probably after this I'm gonna like chill out a bit on the investing. Probably gonna invest less than this so that my goal is just 30,000, so that 4,300 extra probably maybe if I put like 1,500, like even then I could probably invest just a little bit less. It's just this RRSP contribution. The reason why like it's kind of annoying having to save up this much to do a lump sum, but it's just so much better to do it that way, just in one go on VOO, rather than having to do Norbert's Gambit like multiple times or just eat the fee that Wealthsimple charges you for converting your Canadian dollars into US dollars. So I just want to do it once, just Norbert Gambit once, and be able to buy my VOO and my RSP. So Yeah, it is a bit of a inconvenience to have to lump sum and have a bit of a deficit on the year, but it's okay. And obviously this isn't factoring out any pays or expenses yet for June, so um, yeah, we'll see about that. I'm pretty sure I'll be ready for June though. I do have the money. It's just keeping a bit of a buffer. Although I do have now that 5,000 in my checking account inside of Wealthsimple, so and then I also have technically emergency fund in SBLT. It is kind of a I do have it in here for higher interest. Like this has paid me more than any high interest savings account could possibly pay me because it's like basically 6% yield. And like if I go to my historical data, actually I don't need to go to historical data. I can go down here. I have SBLT. Like I've received like almost $1,000 in dividends from SBLT. So I'm pretty happy with my decision to have SBLT as basically a emergency fund, high interest. I'm up 3% on price, and I've got so like $300 on price, and I've gotten like or almost $1,000 in dividends. So, and also this is better. If you haven't watched my cash versus SPLT video, definitely watch it. But the this is better on taxing because our taxation because it's eligible dividends versus interest income, which is taxed higher. So definitely a solid choice. But technically I have that, so I think I should be good to do the bombshell $11,500 um, for June. So I'll just keep it 0 for now. It's gonna be in my plan to put 11,500 in and lump sum that into VOO. So yeah, that about wraps it up for this update, everyone, and I'll see you guys next one.